We are leading back home a domestic tax reform agenda where we are looking at all our inefficiencies to try and see how we can leverage the developments that are taking place elsewhere in the country. And I think this opportunity just came at a great time for us to be able to learn from other revenue authorities what has been working, what has not been working, their experiences and how we can use that in our own administration to try and see how we can improve our revenue mobilization. But at the same time, we don't have to invent the wheel from the very beginning, because revenue administrations have done that. They've seen what have worked, what have not worked. So we can take that, tweak it a bit, see how that fits our domestic administration. Something that my commissioner keeps talking about is the issue on data and how we can leverage the use of data and data analytics to actually inform decision making. That data can already pinpoint to you where the issues are, so you just focus your resources in that area. I think that stood out for me, how all entities within a country can really collaborate to use data from different sources for the benefit of mobilizing our domestic resources. I think that is a big key takeaway for me, and I think our agenda at our revenue agency is already trying to look into that. So taking away back home is for me to go and emphasize the importance of data usage.